The cat went onto the internet to have a very intimate chat. The pretty chick was pretty quick to telling the cat that it would be real glad to meet for a chat without any delay in a nearby alleyway. It was really rather unfortunate that the chick discovered too late that her internet date was a great big cat who ate her as soon as they met.